Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add YouTube videos to your class on GMind AI Class Hub, embed external learning resources seamlessly. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your class. First, I click on Class Hub, then select my classes. For this tutorial, I'll be using the JSS1 Diamond English class. I go ahead and enter my class console. Step 2. Add a video content. Now I want to add a video under the verb topic. So I'll 1. Click on verb 2. Click on Add Content. 3. Select YouTube video. 4. Then click Add Content. Step 3. Use GMind AI to search YouTube. Now I will use GMind AI to search for YouTube videos. Then type a title for the YouTube video. I'll click on Use GMind AI to search. GMind AI now brings up a list of YouTube videos related to that topic. Step 4. Select your video. From the results, I simply select a video I like and click Continue. Let's say I choose a video titled, What is the passive voice? When do we use the passive voice? Once I'm satisfied with my selection, I click Add Video to Content. If I want another video, I can go back and choose a different one, but I'm okay with this selection, so I click Add Video to Content. Step 5. Confirm and view the video. Now, the video has been successfully added under Subjects to Me. I can scroll down to view it, play it, and use it as part of my lesson content. And that's it.
When do we use the passive voice? And how can I easily change the active voice to the passive voice? I'm Arnell from Arnell's Everyday English, and today I'm going to answer these 3 questions.